Okay, so this video will provide the viewer with a little bit more information on what should be included within the results section. Within this section you should be able to report evidence of what you actually found. So in general, the first paragraph in the results section should include a brief overview of the analysis to be described. This might include summarising the hypothesis that was investigated. As you can see in this example, the student themselves has not actually included any such information, so therefore they would lose marks as a result of this error. The next step should involve the results actually being reported. Now, generally, one reports the descriptive statistics first, then the inferential statistics, and then states in words what was found. It might be useful, or it would be recommended, that the student provides a table or figure to aid in presenting the results from the specific analysis. As you can see in the example in front of me here, the student has provided a figure that relates to the results achieved from the mean power outputs of the Wingate test. Now, these sections in general should be a summary of your findings, so you should describe the data, the means, the standard deviations, etc. If you have lots of summary statistics, i.e. the means to report, use a graph or table instead of writing them. So evidence here is the information that's contained within the sentences. They've provided not only percentages to support their results, but they've also provided the descriptive statistics that support the percentages themselves. It's important that you give all tables and graphs full titles. Now, with figures or graphs, the titles would go at the bottom. So if I highlight this one here, the example in front, the title provided there is an indication of what is being visualized in the graph on screen. When providing evidence of tables, the title should go above the table that you've inputted. Now, the graphs of the mean should include error bars, and it's clear evidence here within the example in front of you that the student has followed that procedure. So when reporting the findings, make sure they are in sentence form and they are purely descriptive. So the example I have in front of you here, the student has just provided information as to what has actually occurred. They haven't provided any explanation as to why that's occurred, or the results are being attained as they are. They will save this for the discussion. So just to conclude, just a couple of points to avoid. So within the results section, you mustn't include any raw data. The raw data itself will be placed in your appendices. Try not to present the same data in both a graph or a table. Do one or the other, and try not to complicate the results section. You don't get any extra marks for trying to be flash for the sake of it. The best experiments in general are sort of elegantly designed so that they can be analysed with a straightforward statistical procedure.